Alright, here we go. Good luck, Bob. Bob's going to do a box of SOA Seasons 4 and 5. Start buying one Jordan auto a month. You got to start with the rookie card. Then you can go on to autographs. Unless you're going to save the rookie for last. You don't want the rookie? It's the best one, man. The Bulls Auto Unis, gotcha. I'm pretty sure you can find some fairly decent priced. Somebody's got to have some somewhere. $15K gem? You don't have to get a gem. Gosh. You get away with a 9. You don't have to get a 10. Doesn't have to be perfect. I know exactly how much ramen noodle that is. Cup of noodle soup. Triple memorabilia, huh? Let's see. See if we can get you anything out of this box. Jeez. You love cup of noodle soups? I can't, man. It's too much sodium in it. TT17. Now you got like 10 of those. Okay. Considering the ones that Evan's open to. This should be the relic. It is not the relic card. Man, is there anything in this box? Well, I guess you're only getting the tattoo in this box, man. Sorry. Oh, we got one. Eli Roosevelt. I know that's the autograph you're missing, too. Alright, no autographs in this box, man. I'm sorry. You're going to have to contact Cryptozoic. Our autograph is Happy David LaBrava. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. It looks like this guy that goes to the bar down the street. Sorry, Bob. At least it wasn't Kozik.